There are no secret formulas when it comes to success in making money online. What's going on, guys? I'm Josh Smith, aka the Dadtrepreneur, and yes, this is a stuffed otter sitting next to me. I just noticed it, and we're gonna leave it on this video. Anyway, welcome back to the channel where we help you guys create a lifestyle of wealth and freedom through side hustles, through financial education, through affiliate marketing, all that good stuff. And in today's video, I wanna share with you the not so secret formula of all of these the most successful people you've ever come across. Okay, so Gary Vee, he is a very successful entrepreneur, and he got asked one time in an interview what he accredits his success to. It's not pretty, it's not flashy, okay, and it comes down to one real thing, and that is called consistent effort. It's ugly, it's mundane, but that is the secret to having success and getting what you want out of your online business and out of life in general. So today we're going over another video. I'm gonna share with you this one. I believe it's probably the most important key, the most important thing that I've figured out that I can attribute to my success when growing a business from 0 to 6 figures as a complete beginner online. And we've been doing a series where I've shared with you some of these lessons, and today this one again is the most important one, and I call this one my winning edge formula. And for those of you that have been around for a while, okay, the winning edge formula, what that is, here we go. Sorry, I got some notes. I just want to make sure I don't miss out on anything for you guys. But the winning edge formula, what that is, and let me start with this. Before I get into what it is exactly, let's start with where it came from. So for those of you that don't know, I was a college football player, and in the off season, we did this thing called the Winning Edge program, okay? And it was designed to get us outside of our comfort zone. It was designed to mentally break us down so that we could focus and get results and learn to become comfortable being uncomfortable, okay? So this is where my winning edge formula has come from. It's come from that concept, okay? And basically what it comes down to is I've summed it up to this. Small, uncomfortable choices plus consistency plus time adds up to absolutely massive results, okay? So let me say that again. Small, uncomfortable choices plus consistency plus time adds up to those results that we're all looking for. So at the end of the day, it comes down to pretty much two things, okay? You absolutely must, okay, step outside of your comfort zone to experience any type of real growth in your life, okay? Because if growth and success happened inside of your comfort zone, everybody would be successful. We'd all be millionaires. We'd all achieve our wildest dreams just by sitting on the couch and watching TV and Netflix and chilling every night, right? Because that is comfortable, okay? Success in growth in our lives and in our businesses, especially in entrepreneurship, success does not come from staying in the same place. It does not come from remaining comfortable. You have to step out of your comfort zone. So there's a lot of people who talk about consistent effort, and they have a very similar formula, right? They say small good decisions repeated over time adds up to big results like later on, okay? But I've taken it a step further, and I've seen how this has worked for me. And it's not just those consistent choices. It's not just making good choices, okay? Most of the time, it requires you to make uncomfortable choices and step out of your comfort zone. So for example, posting on TikTok, right? That is uncomfortable. It's so weird at first. Getting on camera, doing a YouTube video, even right now, it's still a little bit uncomfortable. I'm getting things going in the back of my mind while I'm talking to you all. Like, okay, the pig is over there eating a treat. I'm keeping her, she's making slobbery, weird noises. Maybe you hear that in the background. Do you think that's weird? What do you think's going on over here? We got neighbors all around, up, down, and on the sides. Like, can they hear me? Do they think that's weird? Okay, it's a little bit uncomfortable. And again, if I'm staring at the camera, a lot of times I'm just staring at myself, okay? I feel like, ooh, I look kind of weird. There's a mess in the background, okay? It can be very uncomfortable, okay? But in the uncomfortability, that's where the growth happens, okay? If I chose to stay comfortable and not participate in a TikTok challenge for my affiliate marketing business, I never would have realized how powerful TikTok is, and my business never would have gone anywhere, okay? So it's about those uncomfortable choices, okay? But again, It's not just, you know, making those one time or posting one time on TikTok and expecting you to have 100,000 followers overnight, okay? That is completely realistic and it can happen. I've seen it happen, but most likely it will not happen, okay? It's about staying consistent, okay? And posting today, posting your first post on TikTok, and then posting your next tomorrow, and then the next, and then the next, and then next thing you know, 6 months down the road, you posted every single day, and now you've got 100,000 followers, okay? So understand the consistent effort needs to happen over an extended period of time. It can't just happen one time or sometimes. It's gotta happen repeatedly over and over and over again. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna slowly build these habits. It's gonna become second nature and you're not even gonna realize what's happening, okay? And you're gonna go from getting 0 leads in your business to all of a sudden you're getting 4 or 5 a day. Then the next thing you know, 2 months down the road, you're getting 20 or 30 a day. Then the next thing you know, you're 6 months down the road, you've hit an explosive growth pattern and you're getting 300 to 500 leads in your business every single day, okay? It's exactly what happened to me. I know it's possible to, it can happen for other people. And again, it's not pretty, it's not flashy, and it's not the big secret that most people are looking for, okay? You hear the pig? She's going crazy. It's slobbery, it's disgusting, it's gross. So I apologize for that in the background, but it's the only way to keep her from honking and oinking at me throughout this whole video. So anyway, back to the point, you know, the growth happens outside of your comfort zone. So today I want to challenge you guys. Again, this is going to be a much shorter video, and I think the point really makes sense. There's not a whole lot to expand on this, okay? I want to challenge you guys to, if you've been waiting around, like if you have been afraid to post on TikTok, you've been afraid to make your first YouTube video, I want to challenge you guys today to get a little bit uncomfortable and start posting, okay? Just start, and then make a commitment to do it again the next day, and then the next day, and the next day, and continually show up even when you don't feel like it, okay? Because that's the secret. You ask the Tony Robbinses of the world, the Gary V's of the world, the Elon Musks of the world, Jeff Bezos, okay? They'll all say that their success is attributed to their consistent effort and their willingness to put in that consistent effort no matter how boring it got, no matter how they felt, they continually showed up when other people didn't. So go out there, start showing up, start getting consistent. And again, guys, if you're brand new to this stuff, you don't have a business net yet, you don't know what the next steps are, I'll link out in the description my favorite way to get started in online business so you can start generating that income and start having the systems in place so you can go out there and just start creating and putting in that consistent effort every single day. And again, it's with that 15-day challenge. It's no secret. Everybody knows by now that's where I got my start. So I would encourage you guys to go ahead and check that out. I'll link it down in the description. Go out there, start getting uncomfortable, start taking action. And again, if you found value in this video, you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead. You want to see this otter again, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and let me know how I'm doing in the comments. And that way you never miss another video like this. And I will catch you guys later. I'm out.